What's up, guys? My name is Johnny. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the air filter on a 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic. Alright, super easy. You guys got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're supposed to have one there, 6 and 7 of those bolts there. You can either get a Phillips head screwdriver, or in my case I have an 8mm socket and a ratchet. You just go ahead and loosen them all up. I already did that. So once you're done loosening all of those up, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Once you guys do that, this will come right off like that. Just put it aside. And there it is, guys. I recently replaced mine, so I'm not going to do it now. I'm just doing this so I can show you guys how to do it. And once you pull out the old one, you would grab the new one and just put it right down, just like that. You would then grab this part again, put it right back, tighten them down, you're all done. That's all it is, guys. That's how easy it is to replace the air filter on your car. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I appreciate it. You guys just like, comment, share, and subscribe.